Welcome to Land a House. I'm Seth. I wanted to share a quick tip that may help you get your ram pump up and running. I installed a 1/2-inch ram pump that has about 100 foot of supply pipe to a standpipe, 50 foot of pipe to a ram pump that then lifts 150 feet up this hill behind me. So I also have a secondary supply pipe that feeds a filter bucket. When I installed the filter bucket, it only has about 2 foot of drop between the bucket and the water source. So what happens is there's not quite enough force pulling water into the bucket to maintain enough water level in the bucket to keep up with that ram pump. So I installed a 1-inch pipe feeding the bucket, but that's actually so much water that it drains the creek dry. So the tip is to use a 1-inch ball valve so I can control the flow of water going from the source into the bucket, maintaining some water in the creek, but also allowing my bucket to have enough water in it to feed the ram pump. Let me show you what I mean here. I will restart the water in the siphon. Water is now going into the screened intake, going a few feet downhill towards the filter bucket. The problem is it's pulling so much water out of that 1-inch pipe that it's draining the creek dry, so eventually the pump is going to stop. In just a very short amount of time, the water will stop flowing here and the water level will begin to fall. I'm going to remove the lid here at this point. Install this ball valve. Now I can control the amount of water that flows out of this pipe. All right, keep the lid in place. So say I only need that much water to run the ram pump, then I can do that. Let's give it a test. We still have overflow passing these rocks in the creek. That's a good sign. And we have enough water in our bucket to run the pump. Now with the adjusted water at the source, I can start the pump again. And we can fine-tune that ball valve to see exactly how much water we need to allow into the source. With the pump running at full force and still having this much overflow, I can adjust the valve a little bit to reduce that so that I still have plenty of water flowing in the creek. Thanks for watching. I hope this little trick of putting a ball valve between your source intake and the bucket is helpful in getting your system up and running. If you want to check out more information on the ram pump or buy one for your very own, I'll have a link to the website in the description down below. I'm Seth with Land a House, and I'll see you in the next video.